Hello, I'm Marley Sapphire, and this is 6.0 Minutes. The subject of today's investigative report will be an in-depth look at the corporate giant Total Network Telecommunications, TNT. The rumor of a dynamite new product has the market buzzing with speculation. But what does it take to develop, market, and sell such a product? Well, primarily, a dedicated team working together in the sales forecasting process known as SMP. What does the acronym stand for? Well, I put the question to the product manager.
SMP? Sell my product, of course. The new smellophone would literally blow the competition away.
I hear on the street that smellophone is already in production. Is it a reality?
A reality? Of course it's a reality. We're even planning a line of automobile phones that will offer various fragrances on a touch-tone basis. Yes, I believe we're establishing joint ventures with Avon, Estee Lauder, and United Fruit.
Really?
Yes, our people are meeting with their people even as we speak. Of course, I would have preferred Aromaphone myself. Has a bit more class, don't you think?
Well, when did you first get wind of it?
I received a memo from...
Him? Who?
The chief, our spiritual leader, so to speak. He gave the good word.
What did it say?
What?
The memo.
Oh, simply smellophone.
That's all?
That was enough. Here at TNT, we're used to reading between the lines.
Well, what did you do then?
What we do best here at TNT, set the machinery in motion. We charged our best minds to develop a sales plan, a product plan, a marketing plan, and an R&D plan.
In that order?
Don't quote me, it's proprietary. But the word was smellophone, and it has that sweet smell of success.
Pardon me, who is that?
Oh, please, really. Public relations, our corporate watchdog.
What did you do then?
Well, we had to have a forecast meeting to organize our numbers for the preceding forecast meeting, preceding the SMP meeting, so to speak. Possibly. Definitely. I'll check on it.
Smellophone? Oh, no comment at the moment. I'll just have to wait until my customers get a whiff of it. Yeah.
Why, it's a brilliant concept. It'll be a big hit with beauty salons and florists. Why, the fragrance industry is even considering direct phone marketing. Just think of it, an aroma in every homa. Why, a veritable flagrance of fragrance. Oh, well, it'll open up a whole new market. I can smell it all now.
The smellophone? I don't know. Does a phone that makes sense make sense? Smellophone? Why, yes. We're making prototypes as we speak. I took a special night class in rhinoplasty just for this assignment. Do you think I should include a built-in Kleenex dispenser?
Forecasting is nothing new here at TNT. They do it all the time. Our cameras were set up throughout the building to capture the pre-forecast negotiations between the friendly contenders.
I tell you, it's the best product we've put out since the photophone. But it's your job to convince your customers of that.
Photophone was a dud. My customers don't need gimmicks. They need systems that work.
This one won't fizzle, it will sizzle with that sweet smell of success. But your numbers are far too low for this forecast.
Oh, come on, I'd rather commit to something I know I can achieve. Look, my boss pays me for exceeding my sales objective. Profit is your problem.
Without the sales volume, I can't hold the price.
And what if we have a recession?
A recession? Oh, do not worry. Our economic model will tell us when a recession is coming. We'll have days, well, if not a week, to figure out what we can do about it.
You know, I heard that another company is introducing a competitive product. So, if I'm going to agree with your numbers, I'll need a lot of sales support this time.
Have I ever denied you? I'll give you everything you need.
Well, let's see, how about a dial-a-sniff phone campaign?
Yes,
What? What about a color-coordinated fragrance chart?
certainly.
And I also need a scratch-and-sniff promotional piece.
You've got it. Just trust me. Trust me.
Seems I've heard that one before.
Do you know what you're suggesting?
Yes, forecast a smaller market.
Well, yeah, that would dispute the market model. No, I'm sorry, I can't do that, no.
Listen, just modify the assumptions a little. You know, make the first 2 years low.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You'll be retired by then.
Oh, he's serious. He's serious.
Oh. Listen, it'll also give you 2 years to either get promoted or find yourself a safe job.
Well, all right, but only 2 years.
Oh, good. Shake on it.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me.
Big deal. If you ask me, something smells phony.
With pre-forecasting negotiations concluded, our key executives gather to meet in closed conference with the chief to set the forecasts.
I thought I would bring the prototype for a little inspiration. Mom would have loved it. Remember her?
He definitely knows what he's doing.
Sniff again.
I don't know.
Thank you.
It could have a nose for business. I'm not sure.
You know, these market forecasts are a little aggressive.
Well, I don't see why. They're based upon the information you gave us.
They look all right to me, and I have a nose for these things.
I know my customers. I don't think the market's that big.
Well, why worry about the size of the market when you have 0 share? Just worry about revenues.
That's the point. Sell my product. You can do it, or was last year's objective performance of 150% a fluke?
Hey, my customers have no more money. They spent it last year helping me get 150%.
Oh, all right. Now I know what you're saying, but you're underestimating your capabilities.
Oh, come on, look at the product. Do you think you can sell that thing?
Well,
I still say that your numbers are ridiculous. And we made a deal.
Okay. Well, let me check with my staff to see how they arrived at that number. I'll be right back. Oh.
Your staff? You ought to check the parking lot. It looks more like your license plate number.
Oh, I need a revise on this forecast. Sales is not buying this number.
Well, should we try another license plate?
No, that idea bombed. We need something more believable. Yeah.
Well, why not try the computer?
Hey, why not try the computer? Yeah. I need a forecast, and I need it now. And I'm in a hurry.
Partly cloudy with a chance of snow. High in the low 30s.
Ah, good. High in the low 30s. That should do it.
Take this forecast, boss.
Oh,
You'll need it for the big game.
thank you.
Good luck.
Oh,
Good luck.
thank you.
Well, I think it's gonna work.
Yes, we can get away
I've
with
got it. I've got the new forecast.
good.
Look out. Excuse me.
Okay.
Oh, I think this one is good. Let's see if it works. Voila! Now here's our revised forecast.
Now that's more like it. It's a forecast that shows a future.
Right.
All your forecasts show the same future, year after year after year.
It's beginning to make sense. Sense? Well, of course it makes sense. You press 3 for Jasmine, 5 for Rose, 2 for root beer, and 8 for Gardenia, but don't press 3 and 9. Makes like a truck exhaust. Gotta work the bugs out. Whoa.
Big one.
Well. Hey, how's my A-team doing here, huh, boys? Huh?
Yeah.
Everything going well? Ready for the big game?
Oh, yes,
Very good.
There are your numbers in order, huh?
Positively,
Yeah,
sir,
forecasts are already here? Well, they better be.
Oh, yes, very
All
much
right,
so.
shut up and sit down.
Yes, sir. We are all very excited about the new campaign.
Yes, very excited.
Yes.
Yes, it has infinite government applications. Why, the CIA alone will buy thousands for sniffing out spies.
And once my customers get a whiff of it, they'll consider it essential.
I think we should consider getting a Jimmy Durante lookalike to help promote it.
Ka-ding-ka-ding-ka-ding-ka-ding-ka-ding-ka-doo.
What is that?
The prototype, sir,
Prototype? What prototype?
of the smellophone.
Oh, the smellophone?
Yes, sir. Your memo, the campaign. We acted upon it immediately.
What memo?
On the smellophone campaign.
Oh, you mean my cellophone campaign. Of course. Sell a phone a day keeps the competition away. You get it? Day away. It rhymes. Yeah, I want you to go out there, boys, and sell 1 million phones. I want you to go out and sell 10 million phones.
But your memo, sir. See here.
Well, let me see my memo here. Let me see. Hey, now who typed this thing, huh? Smell-a-phone? Smell-a-phone. Smell a phone. Hey, I like it, boys. It's not bad at all. I really like it. Hey, do you have the numbers on this thing, boys?
Your smellophone makes dollars and cents to me, Chief. Press 6 for lavender, and 7 for orange, 0 for lemon verbena, and 1 is kind of like methane, so stay away from matches.
You know, I'm beginning to smell an opportunity here. But we must plan our strategy correctly and pool our resources together for the ultimate game plan. Hey, you know, we must be team players, yeah! United, indivisible, and with teamwork and touchdowns for all. We must be running toward the same goal, carrying the same ball, playing on the same team. Tell me, boys, are you with me? Do I have a handshake number? Well, then give me your numbers, and I'll run with it. Pass them down here. Come on. I want every one of them. 9 or 6. That's that one, too. I love this job. Come on, guys. I want all the numbers.
Go, team, go! Go, team, go!
Come on, everyone.
This spirited run toward the ultimate forecast, we cheer this dynamic team on. The numbers have indeed been passed, and the players are moving like a high-powered rocket in a single direction. We will be following them with great interest. And so, in tracking down Aruma, we have revealed another explosive product from TNT. Oh, my God. This is Molly Sapphire, and this has been 6.0 Minutes. Good day.